Now let's go to the text. In text you can change the fonts here. Now Canva has so many fonts. Sorry, this class will take a bit longer, but it's for your good. Just follow to the end. You can change the font, turn nimbles. Now if you observe I remember I said my Canva is a pro. I have pro subscription. There are some fonts here, if you observe, they have crown, this crown icon. It means you can only use them with pro subscription. That's what it means. So if you don't have pro subscription, there are fonts, so many of them, beautiful fonts that you cannot use. So, and this is where you change the color of the text, the font size. You can toggle, or you enter the figure here, anyone. Then the format is where you make it bold, italics, underline, stroke, or all caps. But we don't need all these things. And this one under is align, just like your Microsoft Word, to make it either centered, align, left align, right align, or justify. And then bullet points, and then or numbering. You can play around with this. Let's take it back to our center align. Now if you want to go back, you press this X icon. If you want to go back, press this S icon always. The spacing, letter spacing, you give space between them. You see, if you observe what is happening. Or line spacing, the gap between the two words, up and down. There are fonts that will come with so much gap. There are fonts that will come with two gaps that are too close. So if you want to adjust it, you can come to spacing. Spacing is a tool for editing text. And also text who has effects, you can make it shadow or lift or hollow. I like hollow. Or outline. You can choose any of them, glitch, and background too. You can change the color here. Observe. Yes, you can give text a background too. We don't need this. Now up here we have the undo button, and here check the top left where I'm toggling. We have the undo, this icon here, and then we have the redo rather. So if you want to, if you make a mistake, you can press here to undo. If you want to redo it, you can press here. So you can always go around, and Canva auto saves your design. You don't need to save. Let me show you something. Press here, or this 3 icon. If you observe here, it says all changes saved. See the cloud icon? It's just like a cloud app. It saves your design automatically. Let's see this border color. Good.